The health benefits of ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries as an ingredient for cooking most of the Indian and Asian cuisine. This is done to add flavor to the food. Apart from the taste, there are several health benefits which come from the use of ginger, whether cooked or eaten in the raw form of a spice or a dried powder. Let's have a look at some essential health benefits of ginger. Number 1, relieving digestive problems. There is a component in ginger referred to as phenolic. This component is responsible for relieving irritation in the gastrointestinal tract. It stimulates the production of saliva and bile so that the food can move smoothly in the digestive tract, hence reducing about 50% of the digestive problems. Number 2, reduces nausea. Studies show that 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger is enough to reduce nausea. If you're the type of person who gets nauseated when pregnant in the morning or during a cancer treatment, you're going to want to try drinking some ginger tea. You can even chew it raw to get the relief you need. Number 3, pain reliever. Ginger is beneficial in relieving muscle pain by approximately 25%. For example, if you are experiencing cramps during your menstrual cycle, you should try having some ginger tea. How this works is it can help you by making the muscles around your stomach area relax, hence reducing the pain. Number 4, it's a remedy for inflammation as well. One of the most common inflammation problems is arthritis. It causes degeneration of the joints in the body, which results in the pain in the joints and around the legs. Studies show that those who take ginger in any form are less likely to suffer from inflammation. Number 5, reduces blood sugar levels. Simply 2 grams of ginger per day will reduce the blood level sugar of any person. In most cases, it is the imbalance in the blood sugar which causes a heart attack. This means simply by taking 2 grams of ginger a day will lower your chance of heart disease by 10%. Number 6, it lowers cholesterol levels. A 45-day study involving 115 people with high cholesterol concluded that 3 grams of ginger powder each day caused a significant reduction in their cholesterol levels. Researchers believe that ginger can aid in lowering cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 7, ginger may improve brain function. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are 2 factors that can accelerate the aging process and become the key driver of Alzheimer's disease and other age-related cognitive impairments. Some studies suggest that antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. In a study of 60 middle-aged women, ginger extract was shown to improve reaction time and working memory, suggesting that ginger supports brain health in multiple ways. There are several health benefits which would be linked to the use of ginger. The above are only a few. Okay, that's all we got for today. Thanks so much for sticking to the end. I am Rob from Remarkable Remedies. I hope you enjoyed today's video on the health benefits of ginger. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And take care and God bless. See you on the next one.